Look at my clothes. I just have to show you this. I'm just ready to get back to the resort.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
What's up, everyone? So I just made it to Mexico for a little vacation, and I haven't had a real vacation in a very long time, so I'm so excited about this. This is the second time this year I've been in Mexico. I was here back in February, and now we're in November, but I'll just say this, the weather is a lot warmer than it is in Dallas. So once I get to my resort, I will give y'all a little tour like I like to do on these vacations, but just enjoy.
For the biggest, that's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest, that's a comma and a comma and a comma.
Oh my gosh, y'all! I haven't been here for long, but it's really nice. It's really nice so far. I'm gonna show y'all kind of the entrance area in the courtyard here. You know, I bet you this looks really cool at nighttime. I know the ocean, you know, obviously the ocean was far over there, but it looks like a really neat pool as well. I've heard great things about this resort, so I was like, I really want to stay here and see what it's like. Looks like kind of over here, there's a little construction going on. So you can see the wood there, but it's still a really neat ceiling up there. It's like a pyramid, so it looks really cool. I wish this wood wasn't here because I would be very interested in seeing what it's normally like. Oh, it looks like they're building a staircase because I'm guessing maybe they probably had elevators before, but I don't know. I don't know. Something's down there. I'm gonna figure it out. Then I'll show it to y'all. It's my luggage.
Yes.
Thank you.
You know the rooms?
The room?
You have you have your side baths.
Yep.
And the coffee maker, espresso, and the people are too.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You
We're
have
good.
one question?
No, you're
No?
good. Thank
That's
you.
good?
I appreciate it.
Okay, when I stay around the lobby, if you need something, you can ask.
Okay.
To my co-worker.
Okay.
You should stay around the lobby.
Okay.
All right?
Awesome.
Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy this paradise.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. See, when I got here, they had me leave the luggage at the front. And so they just delivered them. Lovely. Look at that. Doors already open. All right, so let's explore a little bit. Little living area, and I'm gonna show all of this. Little living area, king size bed, big TV, and then I think at the front here, closet, then, wait, where's the light? Oh, bathroom. I'm in the bathroom right now. I don't know how to turn the light on. We're gonna figure it out. Hold on. See, now I'm gonna have to like come back once I figure out how to work the lights. Give me a second. All right, I figured out the bathroom lights. They were actually over here by the entrance, and I thought that they were those, but they're actually these over here. So in the bathroom, all right. I love when they separate the toilet from the rest of the bathroom. I don't know, it's just one of those things for me. And nice big shower. Oh, is there a sprayer? Yeah. So we have the rainforest. We have the rainforest thing, and then there's a little sprayer. Oh, it's two showers. Yeah, so there's 2 showers there. But I don't know. The thing that I'm most excited about though is waking up to see this view that's out here, because it's really neat. I really like it. Gosh, the earth is so beautiful. And our water in Texas is not this blue. The water here is blue, and I love palm trees, and I'm so excited. So what I'm gonna do right now is change into some swimwear, and I'm gonna go out, maybe have a margarita or two. Since I'm in Mexico, I feel like it's appropriate. Have a margarita and get some lunch. Y'all, look at this. I just have to show you this right quick. So these are safety kits, and look at what it contains. 2 masks, latex gloves, and antibacterial gel. It makes me feel real safe. We love the precautions, don't we? For all those people who want to say that I'm not being safe, this is my safety kit right here.
So you can put it over here.
Okay.
So WTV NIDXJ.
I feel how.
How it's supposed to feel.
Well, it's not supposed to be too tight, but not too.
Okay, it's cool.
It's good.
Yeah.
Head up.
What's up, guys? So if you haven't figured out yet, I am covered in sand because I've been riding these ATVs in the desert, which you saw shots of me getting ready. I was trying to prepare my mind for it for the most part. But it's been a fun experience. Definitely rocky and shaky, but I would recommend anybody coming to Cabo to check that out because it's fun. Right now, we're just taking a little break. We're at the beach. Like, look at my clothes. Yeah, I didn't wear maybe the right outfit, but I wore what I had brought with me because I didn't know we were gonna be doing this when we were planning on coming here, but I'm glad that we did. So we're gonna hop back on the bikes and I will check with you shortly. All right, I'm back, and now I am walking this massive bridge, and it's a little shaky, and so, no. Did it feel like it was swaying?
Yes.
I don't know if I'm gonna continue. So right now, we're just waiting for the next shuttle back to the resort. The next one doesn't come for like another 30 minutes or so. And I didn't know they were spaced out like that. So we've been sitting here for like 30 minutes already, and I'm just ready to get back to the resort because as you can see, I feel so dirty right now. But all in all, this was a very fun experience, and it's cool because they have other things here. You can do like bungee jumping and zip lining and all that kind of stuff, but not today. Can't. That ATV was enough for me for today.
This a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And this a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma.